Prepare to be amazed by these 20 delicious healthy recipes that even a registered dietitian can't resist. Are you looking for some delicious and healthy recipes to add to your meal rotation? Look no further. As a registered dietitian, I have curated a list of 20 nutritious and easy-to-make recipes that you are sure to love. Let's get started. First up, we have a colorful quinoa salad packed with veggies and protein. Perfect for a light lunch or a side dish for dinner. Next, why not try some roasted sweet potato and black bean tacos, a flavorful and satisfying meal that is sure to become a favorite. For breakfast enthusiasts, how about some overnight oats with mixed berries and almond butter, a great way to start your day with a nutritious and filling meal. If you're in the mood for something comforting, I recommend a hearty lentil soup with plenty of veggies and spices, perfect for a cozy night in. And for a sweet treat, try some banana oatmeal cookies made with just a few simple ingredients. A guilt-free dessert option that will satisfy your sweet tooth. These are just a few of the 20 delicious recipes that I recommend as a registered dietitian. Be sure to check out the description box below for the full list of recipes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal ideas.